to set Google Audio Playback lock screen notification as hide content in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search, assistant and voice. Select notifications, and then tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until Bluetooth turn on, and then scroll down screen, find audio playback, and then tap audio playback. Select lock screen, and then tap hide content. Now Google Audio Playback lock screen notification set as hide content. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.